Have you ever wondered how to know the symptoms of pregnancy in cats? Hello, cat lovers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll uncover the mysteries of feline pregnancy and teach you how to recognize the signs. Understanding your cat's pregnancy is not just a fascinating journey, but it's also crucial for her health and well-being. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to ensuring the comfort and safety of your beloved feline friend during this special time in her life. In this video, we'll guide you through the process and help you identify the signs of a pregnant cat. We'll explore the feline heat cycle, early and advanced pregnancy symptoms, and when it's time to take your cat to the vet. It's an exciting journey that we're going on together, and we promise to make it as informative and engaging as possible. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a deep dive into the fascinating world of feline pregnancy. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of feline pregnancy. The first step in recognizing pregnancy is understanding the feline heat cycle. So, let's delve into understanding the feline heat cycle, shall we? The heat cycle, also known as estrus, is the period when a female cat is most fertile and receptive to mating. This cycle can start as early as 4 months of age in a female cat and continues throughout her life. During this time, a series of hormonal changes prepare her body for potential pregnancy. And if you're wondering how often this happens, well, it largely depends on the breed and individual cat, but typically, a cat can go into heat every 2 to 3 weeks. Now, a cat in heat can exhibit some unique behaviors that are hard to ignore. She may become more affectionate, rubbing against you or objects around the house. You might notice her rolling on the floor, raising her rear end, or calling, a distinctive, often loud, yowling sound. And if she's an outdoor cat, she may show a sudden interest in escaping to the great outdoors in search of a mate. If your cat's not spayed, these behaviors can become quite a routine part of your life. But what happens if they suddenly stop? Well, it could indicate a successful mating and a potential pregnancy. However, it's vital to note that these behaviors do not guarantee pregnancy. Cats can experience something called a false heat, even after successful mating, where they continue to exhibit signs of being in heat. On the flip side, if your feline friend has been in heat recently and is now acting differently, perhaps she's become quieter, less active, or is eating more than usual, these changes could be the first inklings of a pregnancy. Remember, every cat is unique, and their behaviors can vary. So, if you notice any significant changes in your cat's behavior or physical condition, it's always a good idea to consult with a vet. So if your cat has recently been in heat and is now showing changes in behavior, pregnancy might be the cause. Now that you understand the feline heat cycle, let's explore the early signs of pregnancy. When it comes to our furry friends, they can't exactly tell us when they're expecting, so it's up to us to look out for those subtle changes that might hint at a litter on the way. One of the earliest and most common signs of cat pregnancy is a change in appetite. Just like humans, a pregnant cat may experience morning sickness, leading to a temporary drop in appetite during the early weeks. However, as the pregnancy progresses, she will likely start eating more than usual to support the growing kittens. If you notice your cat is suddenly finishing her meals faster or asking for extra helpings, it might not just be a case of the munchies. Another sign to look out for is a change in the color and shape of your cat's nipples, often referred to as pinking up. Around 2 to 3 weeks into the pregnancy, her nipples may become enlarged and turn a noticeably darker pink. This is your cat's body preparing to nurse her future kittens. Additionally, pregnant cats often exhibit shifts in behavior. Your typically independent cat might suddenly become more affectionate, seeking out your company and attention more often. Conversely, some cats may become more reclusive, hiding away in quiet areas of the house. They might also show signs of nesting, such as gathering soft materials to create a comfortable spot for birth. However, it's important to note that these symptoms can also be signs of other health issues. For instance, an increase in appetite could also indicate worms, while behavioral changes might be a sign of stress or illness. Therefore, it's crucial not to jump to conclusions based solely on these symptoms. Remember, these symptoms can vary from cat to cat, so it's important to keep a close eye on your feline friend. If you suspect your cat might be pregnant, the best course of action is to consult with a veterinarian who can provide a definitive diagnosis and guide you through the next steps. We've covered the early signs, now let's tackle the advanced pregnancy symptoms in cats. As your feline friend's pregnancy progresses, the signs become more apparent. It's like they're saying, "Hey, I'm expecting." One unmistakable sign is weight gain. Yes, your cat may have been indulging in too many treats, But if she's not getting any exercise and her appetite is through the roof, it's possible that she's preparing for motherhood. She may gain between 1 and 2 kilograms, which is significant considering the average weight of an adult domestic cat. Now let's chat about her abdomen. If it's starting to resemble a little football, that's another telltale sign. As her kittens grow, her belly will expand, becoming firm and rounded. It's important not to prod or poke her tummy during this time. While it might be tempting to feel for kittens, you could unintentionally harm them. Then there's the nesting behavior. Similar to humans, cats also prepare for their little one's arrival. Your cat might start seeking out secluded, comfortable spots around the house. You might find her in the back of a closet, under the bed, or in a seldom-used corner. This is her instinct to find a safe place to give birth. Also, you might notice her nipples becoming more pronounced and changing in color. This is called pinking up, and it's a sign that her body is preparing to nurse the kittens. Lastly, there's the loving behavior. Cats can be quite affectionate when expecting. They may seek more attention, purring more than usual, or rubbing against your legs constantly. Remember, these symptoms aren't set in stone. Every cat is unique and may show different signs. If you suspect your cat is pregnant, it's always best to consult with a vet. They can confirm the pregnancy and guide you on how to best care for your soon-to-be cat mom. These symptoms are usually more noticeable, and by now, you might be expecting some cute little kittens soon. While it's exciting to anticipate your cat's kittens, it's crucial to know when to involve a veterinarian. This statement could not be truer when it comes to the health and well-being of your pregnant furry friend. Veterinary care is the cornerstone of a safe and successful feline pregnancy. It's not just about the checkups and medical procedures. It's about having an expert guide you through this unique and delicate stage in your cat's life, providing invaluable tips and advice along the way. So when should you plan that first visit to the vet? Ideally, as soon as you suspect your cat might be pregnant. Early veterinary care can help identify any potential risks or complications before they become serious. The vet will most likely perform a physical examination, assess your cat's overall health, and confirm the pregnancy. What can you expect during these appointments? Your veterinarian will monitor your cat's weight gain and overall health, ensuring she's getting the right nutrients and care. They may also perform ultrasounds or x-rays to check on the kitten's development and to estimate how many kittens your cat might be expecting. Remember, your vet isn't just there for the routine checks. If you notice any signs of distress in your cat, such as prolonged loss of appetite, excessive vomiting, or signs of discomfort, make an appointment immediately. These could be signs of complications and should not be ignored. It's also a good idea to schedule a visit to the vet towards the end of your cat's pregnancy. This will allow your vet to provide you with information on what to expect during the birthing process and how to prepare your home for the arrival of the kittens. In conclusion, your vet is your partner in this journey. They will be there to support you and your cat, providing expert advice and care to ensure a safe and healthy pregnancy. So don't hesitate to reach out and schedule that first appointment. Your vet plays a crucial role in ensuring a safe and healthy pregnancy for your cat. So remember, when it comes to your cat's pregnancy, your vet is your best friend. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the heat cycle to recognizing pregnancy symptoms in your cat. We started off by enlightening you about the feline heat cycle, its stages, and how it ties into your furry friend's pregnancy. Then, we dived into the early signs of cat pregnancy. From behavioral changes to physical signs, we talked about what you need to watch out for. Remember, every cat is different, and these symptoms may vary. We also discussed the advanced pregnancy symptoms, including weight gain and nesting behaviors. These are clear indicators that your feline companion is preparing for her new litter. Finally, we stressed on when it's the right time to visit the vet. Regular checkups are crucial to ensure the health of both mother and kittens. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this information helps you better care for your pregnant cat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cat-related content. See you next time.